It is a myth that you need to be monetized in order to start making money as a faceless channel on YouTube. The truth is that in 2025, anyone can start making money on YouTube, even with 0 subscribers, just by following these 5 methods. And don't worry, this is not clickbait. I have used several of these methods myself with decent success, and I personally know faceless YouTubers who are making a lot of money using these methods. I just want to pass on the knowledge to help you support your small channel while you're growing without having to rely only on AdSense and without making the same mistakes that I did. Now, I'm going to talk about how you can get started with each of these methods, and to make things even easier, I am going to rate each of these methods on 2 factors. 1, how easy it is to execute, and 2, how much money you can realistically make from them on a simple scale of 1 to 5. The first rule of making money on YouTube is this: you can earn even with a very small audience if you have something to sell. And this is why affiliate marketing continues to be a top reliable income choice for faceless channels in 2025. This is where you promote other people's products and services via links in your description and earn a commission every time somebody purchases through your unique link. Now, before you roll your eyes and decide to skip this part of the video because you've heard about affiliate marketing 100 times, I can bet that you did not know about this. Faceless creators are now moving away from physical products and services and actually leaning towards becoming affiliates for online softwares and tools. Take Digital Scholar, for example. In one of his videos on building websites, he promoted 10Web, which is a website builder, and conveniently placed his affiliate link in the description. AI Apocalypse showed viewers how to create faceless videos using Canva and included an affiliate link in the description. AI Genesis did the same with CapCut Pro. A lot of creators are now doing this with InVideo. But why exactly is everyone suddenly so interested in promoting software? Well, because firstly, software tools are not bound by a geographical barrier. Depending on the use case, they can be used by someone in the US and someone in the Philippines at the same time. Whether it's video editing tools or website builders or social media management tools, they have become essential across various different industries. Secondly, software tools offer higher commissions because most of these companies are funded, they have budgets to spend on marketing. So even if you sell a few subscriptions or licenses, you can still bring in significant revenue. Plus, almost every software has an affiliate program, which makes the entire process super simple. Just go ahead, search for the software that you want to promote on Google, add affiliate program to your search query. For example, you can search for InVideo affiliate program, click on the link, add the necessary information, and you will receive your unique affiliate link that you can push out in your YouTube videos and earn commission. Now, this does not mean that you should always promote software and never recommend anything else. You can still go ahead and have your Amazon affiliates and, ClickStore24 affiliate programs. The products and the services that you are promoting need to align with the video that you are creating. But one thing to keep in mind as a small faceless channel, especially if making money is your top priority, is that your best bet would be to focus on high ticket items, which are products and services that give you a higher commission per sale. You can find these products and services on platforms like Digistore24. And when you have high ticket items, this means that even with fewer sales, you can make decent revenue. We've already made an in-depth video on this topic, so make sure you go check that out after. And a pro tip for you before you get into affiliate marketing is to actually break your videos, whatever video you're creating for the affiliate link, break that video into smaller short clips and share them on YouTube Shorts, on Instagram, on TikTok, and also share your affiliate links there. And then you can earn money through multiple different platforms rather than just relying on one. Coming to the ratings, I would give it 5 stars for ease of execution because finding affiliate products is super simple and you just need to add a link and you're just about done. And I would also give it 5 stars for its money making potential because once the orders start rolling in, you can continue making money from the same link for years on end. Now, what is more profitable than affiliate marketing if you have something to sell is to sell your own digital product. The beauty of digital products is that they come with very little overhead costs. So you don't have to spend a dime on shipping or packaging, inventory, stuff like that. Plus, you make a lot more money than affiliate products because you're not just relying on commission. You are getting the entirety of the sale amount. You also don't need a massive audience to make it profitable. Even with little to no subscribers, you can create products that offer immediate value to people looking for niche solutions. It's all about understanding what your viewers need and then offering a solution that they're willing to pay for. For example, creators are making solid revenue selling ebooks, workout guides, recipe books, self-help journals, digital planners, things like that. 10x Income is a great example of this. He successfully sells his ebooks and is making a lot of money there. And the good thing about digital products is that they're a lot easier to create than you would otherwise think. So with tools like Canva, for example, or InVideo, you can design professional looking products, and then you can use platforms like Wix, Squarespace, Shopify to host and sell your products directly. You can also sign up to platforms like Etsy and Amazon KDP to sell your products, but they will take a commission for every sale, so that's something to keep in mind. Now, how much can you realistically make by selling digital products? Most such products like ebooks, digital journals, etc., are priced between $5 to $30 or $10 to $30. So let's say that you sell 20 items in a month. That's anywhere from $200 to $600 a month. This might not sound like a lot of money, but initially when you're starting out, it can easily cover the cost of running your Faceless YouTube channel. And once you create these products, you can sell them over and over again, and over time these sales compound without any additional effort. Now, coming to the ratings, I'd give it 3 stars for ease of execution because creating a high quality product does take time and effort. It also gets 3 stars for its money making potential because you do need volume sales to make a substantial income. Now, if teaching is something that excites you and you are eager to share your knowledge with the world, then selling online courses can be a fantastic option for you as opposed to affiliate marketing or digital products. Even small channels can use this method very easily, very well, because selling courses is not about the size of your audience, it's about the value that you provide. If you have a clear solution to a very specific problem, even a small audience will be willing to invest in your course, pay for your course, and that way you end up making money by creating a course once and then selling it again and again. So channels like How to AI and Digital Income Project are already selling courses on starting Faceless channels, and they are making a lot of profit from it. Then there is Charisma on Command, which offers a course on becoming more charismatic and confident. Even Alux, a luxury focused Faceless channel, has ventured into selling courses. AI Genesis is also planning to launch his own course where he'll teach others how to build successful Faceless channels just like his. The great thing is that you don't need a million subscribers to start and launch a course. A lot of people start even before they have a YouTube channel. If you look at Digital Income Project and How to AI, they are relatively new. Within a year, they've launched their course and they're selling it, and they are already generating revenue from it. So as long as you have the knowledge and the experience to help your audience achieve something that they want faster, you are ready to create and sell a course. If you want to do everything from scratch, you can use platforms like Kajabi, Teachable, Thinkific. They're great for doing this. They let you build a website, upload video lectures, create PDFs, all of that jazz. But if that's too complex, or if you're just starting out and it's too much time investment and too technical, you can start by giving live video lectures on video platforms. This way, you don't need any course building software. You can also sell your video lectures and courses on marketplaces like Skillshare or Udemy. Improvement Pill, for example, offers a storytelling course on Skillshare. Just keep in mind that marketplaces, no matter what you're doing, will take a significant commission, and they don't share your students' data and email addresses with you. So that's something that you need to keep in mind. Now, 99% of people will never profit from online courses because they offer surface level information that is just easily available on Google, on YouTube, and now with the advent of AI, it's even more easily available. So if you really want to succeed and if you really want your course to sell, you need to go deeper. You need to pack it with real world information, with actual experience and proven strategies. Authenticity is what is going to set you apart in this space. As for the ratings, I'm going to give online courses 1 star for the ease of execution because they are very, very time intensive, but the earning potential is a solid 5 stars because they can bring in thousands of dollars in revenue if they deliver genuine value. Now, if you want to take this method, the coaching method, to the next level, you can consider offering one-on-one coaching sessions to your audience. The biggest advantage of coaching over online courses is personalization, because with courses, you cannot address individual needs. Coaching, however, allows you to connect directly with your subscribers through video meetings, calls, etc. You can easily understand their specific challenges and provide tailored advice. One disadvantage of coaching over courses is that coaching is not necessarily scalable. So there is a cap on the amount of money you can make. But even then, it is a great way to start making money as a Faceless channel on YouTube. Take Incognito CEO, for example. He's a self-improvement channel and currently offers free one-on-one coaching sessions, but I'm pretty sure that once he gains more experience and confidence, he's likely to start charging for those sessions. The earning potential is also massive because you can start by charging anywhere between $100 to $500 per hour. And as you grow, your reputation grows, you establish yourself as an expert, you can significantly increase your rates. One-on-one coaching rates can go up to $2,000 an hour, and that's insane. But it is understandable that coaching is not everybody's cup of tea, because you do require a host of different skills to be able to do this successfully. So only dive into this if you have skills like problem solving, strong communication, and the ability to provide actionable solutions. But if you do have the skills, starting your coaching business is fairly simple. All you need is a one-page website and a contact form where people can get in touch with you, and a payment portal from where you can receive payments from these people. So something like Stripe or Razorpay that you can easily set up and collect payments from, and then you promote your coaching services in your YouTube videos. Initially, to build credibility, to build a client base, you should do outbound lead generation as well, which is where you reach out to small business owners, YouTubers, whoever falls in this category that can receive online coaching from you. Reach out to them, offer your coaching services, build your client base from there as well, as opposed to just relying on YouTube videos and links to get you there. A pro tip is that if you lack credibility or testimonials, offer free sessions initially in exchange for good testimonials, just like Incognito CEO, and that helps you build your credibility a lot more faster. Now, coming to the rating, this method gets 4 stars for ease of execution. It's relatively easy to set up, and you can take coaching calls from anywhere. Often a single session is enough to provide clients with a clear, actionable plan and to make you enough money. It also gets 4 stars for its earning potential, because you can charge premium rates for your expertise, but it's not scalable, so there is a cap on the amount of money that you can make from it. Now, if you have already built a small audience, by this time, if you've been doing all of these methods or one of these methods, you will gain a substantial audience. And once you do that, creating a paid community would be your next big step. In 2025, faceless channels that focus on building strong communities will thrive, because things are becoming increasingly digitized and people are willing to pay for real connection and real world feedback. Paid communities are a fantastic way to deepen those connections while generating steady income. The idea is simple. Your audience pays a small fee to join in an exclusive community where they receive added value and perks such as access to private Discord or Slack groups, early access to videos and announcements, member-only content, behind-the-scenes insights, personalized advice, feedbacks, Q&As, things like that. Paid communities actually shift the focus from producing endless exclusive content, like it usually happens in memberships, to creating a shared space for meaningful interaction. This is particularly effective for faceless creators because the emphasis is on engagement, not on visibility. For example, you could set up a single tier community priced at somewhere between $5 to $15 a month, where members get access to a private group on a platform like Discord, Circle, Facebook, etc. And here you share insights or moderate discussions and host events like Q&As or virtual meetups. Now that you understand what a paid community does, how do you exactly set one up? Use platforms that are designed for communities. So tools like Circle, Discord, Slack, these are perfect for creating spaces where your audience can not only interact with you but also with each other. And many of these platforms integrate with Patreon or another platform called Buy Me a Coffee, so you can easily manage payments as well. You can then either sell a recurring membership. Patreon works great for ongoing communities where members subscribe monthly. Many faceless channels like V101 Space, J Wisdom, The Truth Is, Top Cars TV, all of them use this approach very effectively, and they offer exclusive Discord community access as a membership perk. And once your channel is monetized, you can also use the YouTube memberships feature, because that allows you to do everything on one platform altogether. Just keep in mind that memberships require additional effort. You will need to offer exclusive content that your audience cannot find elsewhere or for free. But if a monthly subscription feels like too big of a commitment right now, you can also offer lifetime access to your community for a one-time fee. So you can use platforms like Gumroad or Buy Me a Coffee or Ko-Fi and just set up a one-time payment, and people can pay this amount and become part of your community. Now, AI Profit Mentor, which is a newly launched faceless channel, is already using this strategy. He promotes access to his private community via Buy Me a Coffee. Supporters pay for access to his exclusive group where they can connect with him, ask him questions about AI, and subscribers happily pay for access to this exclusive group where they can connect with him and ask him questions about AI tools and workflows. Now, how much money can you make from paid communities? Most communities are priced between $3 to $15 a month, depending on the value that they're providing. The one-time ones will be slightly higher. So let's say in the beginning you start with 10 to 15 members joining a middle tier subscription at $10 a month. You end up making about $100 to $150 even as you start. But keep in mind that this requires consistent effort to become successful and profitable. But the good thing is that as your channel grows, so does your paid community, and that increases profits over time. One pro tip here, give regular shout outs to people who do subscribe to become members at the start and end of your videos, and this makes your existing members feel special and also encourages other people to join. Coming to the ratings, I would give this 3 stars for ease of execution. It's fairly easy to set up but does take consistent commitment, and 2 stars for its money making potential, because you do need to practice this at scale to make a lot of money. Now, whether it's products, online courses, coaching, the real secret to success on YouTube, especially as a faceless channel, lies in creating something that genuinely adds value to people's lives. That is how you build a lasting community and an evergreen income source. These communities thrive on the trust and credibility that you build through your YouTube channel. Without that, everything falls apart. That's why, in addition to focusing on these revenue streams, you also need to focus on growing your YouTube channel and connecting with your viewers on a deeper level. But the problem is that YouTube is constantly evolving, and to stay ahead, you need to adapt to the changes in the algorithm. But how do you know what works and what doesn't in 2025? Don't worry, I have done all of the heavy lifting for you and analyzed over 500 plus faceless channels to uncover actionable strategies that will help you break the algorithm and grow faster than ever before. Everything is covered in this video, so I highly recommend that you go check it out next, and I am going to see you very, very soon in the next one. Bye-bye.